The Health Tech program started over 25 years ago. It's a program that's designed to introduce all aspects of the healthcare industry to high school students.
Kids can come into us from Alney High School, Jules Massbaum High School, Kensington Health Science Academy, and if they have an interest and a desire to explore a career in healthcare, they can get hands-on training and experience here at St. Christopher's Hospital.
I've seen them gain confidence. I've seen them gain a purpose. I've seen them start to develop their next chapter in their life.
The experience overall as a student, it was an opportunity once in a lifetime. When I was in the 9th grade, I, much like any other teenager, was not sure what I wanted to do with my path in life, and this really helped me figure out what I wanted.
My name is Jamil Otero, and I am a senior at Kensington Health Sciences Academy. Thanks to Yesenia, I was placed into the pathology department, and I think it's really wonderful and eye-opening to see that there's work that happens behind the scenes. I really enjoy not only the people, but the work that we do, and I feel very fulfilled. The work that I do and the work that I help the histotechnician do is going directly into patient diagnosis.
I'm Kendra. I go to Kensington Health Sciences Academy, and I'm in 11th grade. My favorite part is definitely interacting with the patients. When you come in here, it is a hospital and you are young, so it's probably intense being around so many professional people, but the way they make you feel so supported and so comfortable, you feel like you can do anything here.
We have kids who are getting ready to graduate, and we see that they have their plans set up for post-secondary training. They come to us weekly with reports of where they've decided to go to college, programs that they've been accepted to. They'll show us their award letters, they'll show us their acceptance letters.
And then when they graduate, they stand at the final ceremony and they give their speeches. You're sitting there in the audience like, no, I'm not crying. Are you crying? No one's crying. I'm not crying. Mm-mm. And because you've seen them go from that little timid student to now this healthcare professional.
I committed to Drexel University, pursuing a career in medicine. I am going in on a full ride scholarship.
I do plan on staying in the health field, and I want to actually be a trauma surgeon, which is really big, but I'm only in 11th grade. I feel like I'm going to explore the health field more, and I might change my mind, but right now I'm set on trauma surgeon.